Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show you how to add beads to your crochet project. Beads add a nice texture, especially to handbags, shawls, and scarves.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter.
For this sample, I'm using pony beads, which have a nice wide opening to fit the yarn through. And I'm using a bulky weight yarn, but you can use any type of yarn. You'll need a yarn needle to string the beads, and I'm using an L hook to crochet with, but you can use any other size. Take your yarn and thread the yarn needle onto one end of the yarn. For this method, you will need to load all of the beads for the entire project onto the yarn before you begin crocheting. This is probably the most time-consuming part of the project. For this sample, I'm threading on 36 of these pony beads. Remove the yarn needle. Take your crochet hook and make a slip knot, then chain 13. Push the beads further down the ball of yarn and move everything out of your way. Skip the first chain and make one single crochet in the next 12 chains for a total of 12 single crochet stitches for row 1. Chain 1 and turn your work. Slide the beads closer to where you are working. Now move one bead right up to your crochet hook. Keep it at the back of your work and make one single crochet stitch. The beads are kind of heavy, so you might find yourself struggling a little bit with the yarn at first. Slide the next bead up, right next to your crochet hook, and make a single crochet in the next stitch, keeping the bead to the back of your work. The beads sometimes get in the way, so it helps to slide them in one direction or the other every now and then. Move the next bead towards your work and make another single crochet stitch. Continue doing this beading process across the row. You can see what this looks like on the reverse side. For the next row, row 3, chain 1 and turn your work. I like to do one solid row of single crochet stitches after every beaded row. This helps give the beads some space, plus it adds a little more stability to your work. At the end, chain 1 and turn your work. This next row will be a beaded row. It helps to move this row's beads closer to your work. Pull down your first bead and proceed with making a single crochet stitch, keeping that bead towards the back of your work. And move down the next bead. Make a single crochet stitch. And continue this process across the entire row. The next row will be all single crochet stitches with no beads on them. Continue alternating plain single crochet rows with beaded rows for as many rows as you wish.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and please visit my website at Naztazia.com.